Hello! Today we're going to learn about pronouns. By the end of this lesson, you'll know what pronouns are, see examples, and learn the different types.
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready to learn.
Great! A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Instead of repeating a person's or thing's name many times, we use a pronoun.
So a pronoun replaces a noun?
Exactly! For example, instead of saying Mary is reading because Mary likes books, we can say Mary is reading because she likes books.
That sounds much easier and less repetitive.
Here are some common pronouns: I, you, he, us, and them. We use these words every day.
I think I use many of those words when I speak.
That's right. Now let's learn the types of pronouns. First is the personal pronoun. These include I, you, he, she, it, we, and they.
So personal pronouns talk about people or things.
Exactly.
Another type is the possessive pronouns. These show ownership. Examples are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs.
Wonderful! We also have interrogative pronouns, which ask questions. Examples are who, whose, which, and what.
Like saying, who is at the door? The word who is the interrogative pronoun.
Exactly! We also have demonstrative pronouns like this, these, and those. They point to specific people or things.
So if I point to a pencil and say, this is my pencil, this is a demonstrative pronoun.
Excellent work! Today you learned that a pronoun, a noun. You also learned examples like she, they, and it, and 4 types. Keep practicing and you'll become an expert.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I understand pronouns much better. I'll practice using them every day.